Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to search for new WhatsApp channels. If you're looking to discover fresh content and exciting channels to follow, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device and ensure that you have the latest version installed. Keeping WhatsApp updated will ensure you have access to the latest features, including the ability to search for new channels. Step 2. Tap on Updates from the upper drawer. This will take you to the Updates section, where you can find all the latest updates from your contacts and channels. Step 3. Scroll down in the Updates section until you reach the Channels category. This is where you'll find the channels available for you to explore. Step 4. To search for new WhatsApp channels, tap on Find Channels. This option allows you to discover new channels based on various categories and interests. Step 5. Once you're in the Find Channel section, look for the button labeled New. This button represents the latest or recently added channels on WhatsApp. Step 6. Tap on the button with New to explore the newest WhatsApp channels. This will show you a curated list of channels that have been recently added to the platform. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for new WhatsApp channels and find fresh and engaging content to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring of new WhatsApp channels.